Okay. Finally, you finally take. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Welcome to episode 6 of Unengineered. Yes, we are doing this. This is week 6, and we have some exciting things to talk about this week. Today's Atik's birthday when we are recording it, so you're gonna have this late. Anyway, go wish him if you have forgotten. He's a nice guy. And we're gonna talk about Neuralink, the Pixel 4 release, and what?
Big
And
words,
how
guys.
Geo copied Zoom.
Neuralink. Yeah, Geo. Oh my God, I have a lot to say about that. Okay, we're gonna talk about TikTok alternative called Chingari. It's made in India, and it follows up with the topic that we talked about previously, which is banning Chinese apps. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, it's episode 2, I think, of the podcast. You can go check that out.
I was gonna say Chingari, a copy of TikTok, or how we call it in India, an alternative.
Oh, nice.
वही मेरा sentence
For
ही नहीं बन रहा
the, for the sake of political correctness and nationalism, we call it alternative.
So anyway, let's start with Neuralink.
Yes, boys.
So, Adik, what do you think Neuralink is? Can you answer it for the second time and act like this is not the second time?
Nice one. So yeah,
Yeah.
Neuralink. Neuralink, guys. I assume I gave the example of Avatar. The blue monkey, otherworldly bow and arrow stuff. Yeah, that Avatar. वो लोग ऐसा pink glowing tree, all of that stuff, flying dinosaur. That Avatar, where the guy goes into sleep well. He goes into a sleep. He goes into a sleep well memory foam. Yeah, he sleeps on memory foam, and then he wakes up as a blue monkey, which is weirdly close to the Bheem universe, Chota Bheem universe of Jaggu. Yeah.
What have you been watching, Mike?
There
All this free time and you watch Chota Bheem.
they're all Jaggus. वो जग्गू वही से है, जग्गू अवतार से है, वही रहता है.
Oh,
Wow,
yes.
what a plot twist.
Anyway,
Yeah, I
honestly,
think that's a neural link where you can essentially you're connected neurally, right? And
why the brain?
yeah, you have
Yeah,
one
that's
brain
really
essentially.
awesome.
Sort of. You
Yeah.
have like one brain, two
So-
physical entities.
Yeah, so that might be a future implication of Neuralink, but currently it's all the hype around is because of Elon Musk and the way he markets it. Although it's something which has already been done before, they're doing it just in a way better way. So what Neuralink it's a brain implant, and there are fibers or threads, like they call it, which are implanted in your brain, which help the machine outside record your brain activity. So the way it does is it has electrodes on each thread, and these electrodes detect the electrical signals generated by neurons in your brain, and that is how they read it.
Right.
So the device which were there before, they had a huge opening on your head, which is not only aesthetically bad but also is
Bro, it looks scary.
breach in the first defense system of your body. Like imagine having a hole in your head.
What? Yeah, you don't want that. You don't
Yeah,
want a
so-
wooden head, guys.
So there is this other company called Utah Array. I don't know if it's a company or a product, but what they do is they put spiky, pointy things in your brain, and they have a big connector, huge connector. If Atik is gonna edit it, then he'll put the photo here.
Yep.
Then, so they have this huge connector on your head, and there are some videos of people moving objects on screen with it. So the Neuralink on some level is that, but in a better way because they have small thin threads. They're the size of a hair, and
that's
they
nice, that's
allow
nice.
they are so small that even the skilled surgeons can't put it in your head. So they had to make a robot which will put it in your head, and the
अच्छी
robot
बात
can
है.
put
ऐसा-
192 electrodes at every minute,
ऐसा-
even when a
ऐसा-
skilled surgeon is interrupting it to avoid blood vessels in your brain.
That's nice.
So that's pretty cool. So this is basically how Neuralink works and detects the signals in your brain. Although the exciting part is also this is exciting, and this is like
I'm assuming it's
some
it's
a leap
exciting because of
forward
the
in
applications.
biology. Yeah, but the applications are so many.
Yeah.
So, okay, people don't understand this, but let me put it this way:
Hmm.
we can, inside our brain, we can communicate at with different parts on a very fast speed, at a very fast speed.
Definitely.
But when we have to communicate with something external, like
Yup.
some other person, then we just have one data stream, that is talking and your visual cues. So we
Talking or
have.
like
So
typing,
that-
whatever your medium is.
Yeah, and typing में तो we have just two thumbs.
Oh my God.
Those are just two data points.
Very.
And if there will be a AI which is smarter than us, to communicate with it, we need a faster data stream, of course.
That's right. That's right.
So that they don't just cripple us, but we work with them. So this is an attempt to do that, because once we get to a point where there is sentient AI, we'll need something to communicate with it very quickly and very
True.
properly.
Oh, yo, that's a
Yeah,
good
so-
point. I never realized that application. That's a good one.
Yeah, so it only comes to your mind if you think about it that way, or someone puts it that way, ki we just have two data streams or one data stream, like in the
Yeah.
concept of data stream.
Yep.
And although this will come way ahead in the future, I'm like 5 to 10 years ahead, I guess. उसके बाद आएगा. But what current implications, current uses of this device is the people who are specially abled or can't move their body parts and stuff.
Damn.
So what
That's
they do is
crazy,
they connect a
yeah.
robot. Yeah, they connect a robot to the neurons. I don't know
Right.
exactly.
Sort of like
But-
what they did with what's the black hole guy's name? Hawking. Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking.
Yeah.
अच्छा नहीं उसका different है.
But no, I
He
mean,
couldn't move his arms or legs.
I mean, I think so. There was no neural link involved.
नहीं.
So he
Neuralink तो
he
काफी
used to
नया है.
just control, type it out or something, right?
Yeah, he used to type it up.
Type
नहीं,
it
he
out.
used to. There was some detector.
Yeah, there was some kind of detector.
neck thingy में. I don't have exact details about it, but it was not this.
Okay.
And yeah, so after some experimentation, scientists realized that the more electrodes you have, the better you can interpret the signal coming.
Definitely.
So what they did is they trained some monkeys, and I think this was a different experiment, but they trained some monkeys.
Were the monkeys blue?
And
Advait? Sorry.
Nice. So the monkeys were trained to eat food out of the robot's hand.
Okay.
So the monkeys realized that if they think about that hand moving, it will move. And that is how they learned to eat that robot hand, because they were tied in a cage or something where they can't move their own hands.
Wow. Okay.
And they realized that the more electrodes they had in its brain, the more accurate the action would be.
Oh, nice.
So this game currently is about putting maximum number of electrodes in your brain.
Fair enough.
Okay, and so there are two problems that they are solving. पहले तो how to detect brain से, so that they have solved with those really thin threads.
Definitely.
And the second problem is how to get the data outside your brain. So they didn't mention much about it उनके launch या इसमें. But currently there is a device sticking out. There is a USB-C port sticking out of your head. So human trials हुआ नहीं है, but ऐसा they showed a picture of a mouse and उसके head से एक
That's hilarious.
USB Type-C port निकला है.
That's fucking hilarious, dude.
So-
Imagine, guys. This is so hilarious. I'm imagining putting my phone's charger in the back of my head. It's crazy. Imagine connecting an SSD to yourself.
Oh fuck, that would be smart. And putting all the data in it.
Oh, dude.
But you know,
I
that
won't-
would be stored
I won't-
in our brain.
I won't have to
After that,
remember
huh?
anything. I won't
Oh,
forget a
okay,
single birthday.
About that, remembering anything. Okay. So we'll come to the exciting
Best.
part of
I
it.
want
This
to.
is just how they
I
are
want a
doing
Type C
it and
thunder.
stuff.
I want a Thunderbolt port in my head. I don't care.
Bro, you don't know what's coming. Thunderbolt 3.
Oh,
So
God.
So to avoid that, what they are thinking, they didn't mention a lot about this, but what they're thinking is they'll have connectors coming to your ear, and इधर एक wireless ये होगा, charging and data transfer ये
Yes.
behind your skin. And they'll put a computer or something on your ear, जो ऐसे hearing aid के लिए normally रहता है ना वैसा
समझा,
type.
yeah.
And that is how they'll communicate and I guess provide power to the entire system. And they have this N1 chip which can which can read 3072 neurons at the same time.
They had what?
So that is some custom silicon. They made an N1 chip,
Oh, chip. Oh.
just like
Nice.
yeah, they made their own custom silicon.
Damn.
So that is pretty exciting. And the reason it's exciting is it will be given to the people who need it the most right now. Especially able
That's
people
right.
and even who can't move their arms, legs, or can't do basic stuff. Can't speak here, those stuff. So it will give them a level playing field to communicate with everyone on a better level.
That's right. Fair
So
enough.
Neuralink फिलहाल के लिए is about bringing those people at a level where they can communicate better with us and interact with the real world far better than what they can do right now.
Right.
But once that happens, once we are so ahead that Neuralink is basically something that you can get done in one afternoon or something like that. I mean, it's probably gonna take more than that, but
yeah, obviously.
still.
I mean, it reminds me of.
imagine controlling. Yeah.
It reminds me of quite a few shows. First of all, The Matrix. The Matrix. It reminds me of The Matrix.
I haven't watched.
Quite close.
I haven't watched.
You haven't watched it? It's okay. It's okay. It reminds me of The Matrix for those people who have watched it, and it reminds me
Something
of.
like that you haven't watched. You just watched it recently.
Huh?
I remember your story saying.
Yeah,
कि,
yeah.
हाँ, कि I am getting God.
I liked it. And the other is Altered
Huh.
Carbon. If you haven't seen Altered Carbon, that's another concept of like storing yourself, literally storing your
Also,
consciousness in a hard drive, yeah, and then transferring it to another body. It's like that. It's based on that. I mean, I tried to
Yeah.
watch it, but I got bored.
So yeah. So what do you think? Are you fine being a cyborg, बाद में?
I am all for Cyberpunk 2077. Okay, मैं in है. मैं Thunderbolt पोर्ट लगाएगा. मैं M.2 पोर्ट लगाएगा.
You're a biohacker now, huh?
PCI सब लगा. ग्राफिक कार्ड लगा लेगा मैं अपने आप पे. कोई सीन नहीं मेरे को.
But
That's hilarious.
but here's the thing. Aren't we all cyborgs? अभी से, I mean,
yeah,
we
already.
have device,
Yeah.
we have information.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't access it directly in our brains, but you can
Definitely.
basically access all the information that you need via the internet and on
Definitely.
your phone.
Definitely.
So that
See,
is already an extension
this
of
is,
you.
Exactly. This is the example that I loved. जो Elon ने दिया था, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के. He said कि what is a phone, right? A phone stores your data, right? It reminds you of stuff. It calls. It helps you communicate with people. It helps you send messages, right? What is it but an extension of your consciousness? Your phone can tell so many things about you. Your phone is literally a personification of you as a human being, right? And the thing is, हम लोग को feel नहीं आती है कि phone is an extension of us because it's not attached to us, right?
Exactly.
But the interface between us and the phone is very slow, right? As he said, 2 data streams. It's very
Two
slow.
data streams.
And in the future if this technology, neural links become advanced, we won't even need an external device to store all the stuff. It can just be implanted in our brains, that's literally the difference between
That is
an
so
external phone and an internal phone. Like, we don't have connectors in our brains yet. So that's why we have an external device with all the connectors and stuff. Good, that's a great example.
That is so exciting to think about.
I know, right?
Like, I would love to live that world, man.
It's crazy good example. Great example. I loved it.
And there was one more thing that I don't think they brought up because it was so far-fetched, but imagine storing your experiences and then reliving them.
Oh,
Again.
bhai, VR.
They can record
The next
all
step
the
to VR.
neurons that are firing,
Beautiful.
and then they could just replay it, and you could experience the entire thing all over again.
Oh, bhai. It'll be much difficult to get over your exes then, guys.
Oh, that was the first thing I was gonna say. Imagine kissing your first girlfriend and then reliving
I'm sorry. I don't know. मेरे दिमाग में पहले वही आया.
it. मेरे दिमाग में पहले वो आया था something.
Oh God. Some things are better forgotten, guys. It's just
Yes.
Oh
Especially
God.
that.
Neuralinks, why you do this?
Anyway, that is Neuralink, and it's far-fetched. Come on, it's gonna take good 5 or 10 years to get everything ready to
अरे
the
उससे भी
point
ज़्यादा है.
where
हाँ, आराम से.
we would have it. And even after that, to build experiences out of it, it's gonna take even more time. Because
Definitely. 100%.
you're dealing with something that we don't know a lot about. That is our brain.
I think
So-
from my perspective, right, the only thing that I'm most excited about is telepathy, right? this Neuralink technology will allow us to like communicate without speaking, using brainwaves and stuff like that. And I think I am most excited for that because I find it very difficult to sometimes work in a team, right? Because it's difficult to explain.
Communication.
Yeah, there's a lot of communication barrier, right?
Uh-huh.
And imagine sitting in a room, right, with 10 other people and everybody's trying to get the point across. That's very noisy and very full of confusion, right? Instead of that, imagine कि तुम बैठे हो 10 लोगों के साथ and कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, everybody's just communicating using brainwaves, right? And
Won't
it's
that
so
be
much faster.
boring as fuck?
That would be boring, but then again, we might not even need to be in the same room, right?
Yeah, about the not in the same room is exciting because you can, it just works.
Exactly.
And that will change the human experience. काफी ज़्यादा.
It will completely change it. Completely change it.
I don't know how I feel about not talking at all, but yeah, imagine thinking a wrong thought about something and you're like, oh, thank God that person can't read my mind. And turns out they were, because you're telepathically connected and
Oops. You're gonna have to be careful.
Talking about it.
You're gonna have to be careful about that. You will have to put a filter of some sort.
Yeah, exactly. So controlling that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, that's a good con that Advait brought up. But that really excites me.
There will be software here in places. Imagine getting hacked in your brain.
We are just building clouds in the air, guys. So don't worry.
But that's the thing. Neuralink, where if something goes wrong, all you can do is pull the wireless adapter with itself and everything is back to normal.
Yep. Yeah, hopefully it works that way.
Yeah, it will work that way. There is no other way.
Oh, acha. Okay, fine. Cool. So pretty good.
I mean, if something is wireless, it should be able to just put it away.
Fair enough. That's right.
Ooh, let's come back to reality, guys. Let's talk about Pixel 4a.
Ouch. Neural network. Pixel 4a.
Pixel 4a. Google is somehow the most advanced company while making software, but they just mess up hardware. Like,
Yeah.
And it's not just me. MKBHD loves the Pixel camera, but he keeps using the OnePlus one because it's a better experience. How do you make a software that is meant for your phone and some other phone runs it better? The OnePlus one. I don't understand.
Ouch.
Anyway, let's give them another chance.
Big F for Google, guys.
And they're so expensive, the Pixel phones, man. I don't understand why is this so expensive.
Is it?
Yeah. I think the Pixel 2 or 3 was like 70-80k, and tabhi we weren't used to those phones. Anyway,
Pixel 2 was not 80k, bro. क्या बोल रहा है?
Pixel 3 तो था 70 या 80.
क्या बात कर? Oh yeah, it was the most expensive Android phone of the time. That's right.
Yeah.
70 I think, 60 to 70 के बीच में.
And I remember reading memes as with Sundar Pichai ये कि we should have development in India and then prices the Pixel phone so high that no one can buy it.
We should?
Memes like that. Sundar Pichai का this year ना, we should have development in India, and he's an Indian who's the CEO of Alphabet, and so everyone's like, oh, you promote this and then you make phones that we can't buy at all. So, 70k.
Fair enough.
So anyway, we have some Pixel 4e leaks. Well, we did not leak it for sure. We just read it somewhere.
I wish we leaked it.
So take this with a grain of salt. So what do you think? It's the new Pixel budget phone which has a great camera. Pixels are always known for the camera.
Bro, I cannot believe how good the Pixel cameras are. I seriously cannot believe.
I haven't seen a Pixel camera ever.
Bro, but I don't understand. The last time I checked, the Pixel 3 XL did not have 60 FPS recording. The last time I checked it.
Yeah, but Android ka video recording skills aren't that great either.
Skills.
Skills. Video recording skills. Android phones.
That's right. They're really really bad.
But yeah.
But dude, unka pictures.
But the
holy
photos.
shit. The photos are so good. It's absolute bonkers.
It's all software. Like we said, Google is so great with its software.
I swear, man.
Like I can use Gcam on my phone, and the difference is unreal between the Gcam and the Samsung camera on the software.
Yeah.
So
crazy, bro.
yeah. So the first leak we have is it's gonna have a square shaped back of the device, and it's just gonna have one lens. I don't get it. Where's the wide angle? I hope it's the
What?
wide angle lens.
One
Yeah,
lens.
it's just gonna have one lens.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
it's gonna have one lens.
It's a 4A, right. Sorry. Huh,
Yeah,
then,
it's 4A.
That's okay. That's
But
fine.
still. Is it? I mean, the Pixel 3 had two, right?
Pixel 3. Pixel 3 had
Pixel
two,
3
yes.
had two. Yeah.
Pixel 3 and 3 XL had two.
The Pixel 2 went pretty well with one camera, man. That
It did.
portrait was
It did.
coffee good. Damn. And the next leak we have is it's gonna come with a case, fabric case. That is something I put in there for. So yeah, but some of the leaks weren't true, I guess, or something. They are skeptical because one of them didn't have a camera के ऊपर का ये होता है ना grill for
क्या?
the earpiece. I don't know how.
Oh,
Yeah,
acha.
the photo
Acha.
just
Okay,
have
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And there was no clock icon, so this might be a pre-production model.
Okay.
But there was one other leak where a Google employee tweeted a photo of some Fitbit ka Earth badge he got, and in
Okay.
the photo the time was towards the right, indicating that there is a punch hole over there, top left corner. Mein. The
Oh.
time if there is a punch hole at the
Samjha,
top
samjha.
left corner, the time has to be shifted to the right corner.
समझा मेरे को बराबर. Oh.
So it's gonna be
Okay.
a punch hole screen.
Punch hole
right?
screen. Cool,
If you're
that's
into
cool.
that.
Dude, seriously, I think people will appreciate that after seeing the horrendous forehead on the 4. Such a bad.
What did they do? Why did they go back to no notch design?
So bad,
of
bro.
this?
So bad.
That's
I
what
can't.
with the radar and stuff.
Dude.
Yeah, and the pricing. So people are saying it's gonna be $399 or $349 for 128 GB options, but the rumors are that there's gonna be a 64 GB model too, which will be even cheaper.
Okay,
So
fair
that
enough,
is nice.
Fair enough.
Although we don't have camera samples or anything yet. So the reason Pixel leaks are so meh is because it's all about the camera.
Right, that's right.
And you can't technically leak the camera. You can leak how the device is gonna look, how it's gonna perform with the processor and everything. It's gonna have Qualcomm 730, so it
that's
won't be
okay.
the fastest processor in the world, but it's a mid-range phone. What I'm worried about is what's it gonna be priced in India.
That's right.
People love a good camera here.
True,
It's
true,
just
true.
that things aren't priced properly.
So I was saying ki since does it have a higher refresh screen? Does it? I'm not expecting it to.
I hope, but
Okay,
it's
whatever.
gonna be priced. It's gonna be priced as a higher mid-range, and most of it is gonna
40
go in camera
40,000 I
development.
guess 40,000 के
Yeah.
आसपास.
But if I'm buying a 40,000 ka phone, why wouldn't I just buy a OnePlus 8?
That's right. Oh, then par 30, sub 30. You're saying?
They're gonna have to go good
Yeah, they'll have
high
to.
20s and
That's
sub 30. Sub
That's
30.
right. Yeah, that's right. I'm assuming that has to be true. But
Yeah.
again, I was gonna say that key Indian market में, I think it will sell really well if it is priced that way, because
Yeah.
usually because ये range में chipset तो more or less same ही होता है, 730 या 730G होता है, okay, and
exactly.
if you put a stellar camera in there, okay, people are gonna go for it like left and right, because in this price range there's really no phone with a camera as good as like the Pixel, right?
Pixel wala.
So I think it'll sell really well. Plus, dude, I just realized it's the only contender for a good camera and good software in that price point. If they release it in that price point.
Exactly.
So yeah, I definitely recommend it अगर वो लोग वो price range में डालेंगे तो. Oof, too good.
And so take our advice, Google, price it right, and it will sell really well.
Yes.
Your
yes.
marketing team should do this job, but whatever. Marketing or pricing, I don't know. Who decides the price?
I think
But yeah,
whatever.
So if you buy a Pixel phone, you will need something to video call. Used to.
Used
What
to.
are we gonna talk about? No, I said
Oh,
if you buy a Pixel phone,
what a
used to.
smoothie.
What a segue.
What
What a segue to the next.
what is welcome to Unengineered guys. This is how our production level increases every 5 episodes. So
Yes.
okay, so you guys might have heard of Anil Ambani, you know. सुना होगा उसका
Anil
नाम.
Ambani? You Mukesh Ambani. I think misspelled Mukesh.
मेरे को दोनों में बहुत कंफ्यूज रहता है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता, बट ओके फाइन, मुकेश
Oh, I
अंबानी.
thought that was a joke.
नहीं, it was not a joke, मेरे को नहीं समझ में
Oh, I
आता.
thought you were making a joke. Oh, you actually got confused.
No, I'm
with
genuinely
both of them.
that dumb, guys. मेरे को
Oh,
नहीं.
the Geo is owned by Mukesh.
फाइन. अच्छा जियो ओके फाइन. सो मुकेश भैया
Yeah.
बिजनेस माइंडेड है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो उन्होंने देखा
Nice.
कि जूम का इंडियन यूजर्स दे इंक्रीज्ड बाय
They skyrocketed, to
हाँ.
say the least.
yeah. So before the lockdown we had 4 million users in India, and after the lockdown, by the third week of June, I'm citing Liu later right now, Unbox Therapy ka podcast, it was 400
Yes.
million. In the third week of June,
What?
400 million users of
A
Zoom.
growth of 100 times.
Bro, I mean, what the heck? See, this is why Mukesh Bhaiya was like, चाहिए मेरे को ये बिजनेस,
I need some of that money.
ये बिजनेस मेरे को चाहिए, ये मेरे को करने का है. So obviously
Yes.
they didn't have time, right? They didn't have time to make a
हाँ.
whole new app. तो डेवलपर्स को बोला जल्दी बनाओ, फट से बनाओ,
Of
आपको अभी
course.
लॉन्च करने का.
Yes.
So developers did the right thing नहीं, they did the smart thing.
Yes.
They just copied
Because
Zoom.
they need salaries.
Alright, yeah. Just copied the entire interface of Zoom and they gave it
What?
their own
The
name.
interface is also same.
Yeah, dude.
I haven't checked out that app.
Bro,
I don't
you
want to download Geo stuff
it's
on that one.
literally uncanny. The color scheme is the same except that the blue is a little darker. That's all.
Darker, yeah.
तू जाके Google, तू पागल हो जाएगा. It looks just like
what's it called? Geo?
GeoMeet. It's called GeoMeet. So they launched GeoMeet,
Oh.
and as soon as it's launched, right, people
Yeah.
were all over the place saying कि ओहो Zoom को direct challenge दिया, because एक तो Chinese app है, right? Zoom, and people.
Zoom is Chinese?
Yeah, Zoom is Chinese, buddy.
What?
Yeah, happy
I
realization.
thought Zoom is USA.
नहीं, just because उनका domain is .us doesn't mean, but it's a Chinese app, and
Oh no, it's US. It says here.
एक second.
Zoom Video Communications.
हाँ, so I was saying कि a lot of companies, Indian companies and startups have made good use of the fact कि Chinese apps have been banned and they are developing Indian apps. Indian startups are coming forward. I really hope the government, like, you know, makes some schemes for these software startups so it'll be easier for them to come forward. I really hope it does. I would really like to see a
because
lot
I
more.
need one.
Yeah, exactly. Secret. So I really want to see like an Indian contender in the silicon manufacturing market. You know, I want to see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I want to see that. That is what I really.
Silicon is
That is what we should aim for. You know, one day maybe not Micromax at least, unless they have good engineers,
Oh,
right?
please, no.
Not Micromax.
Fuck.
I don't want like Snapdragon. I really love Snapdragon because of how energy efficient and well made the chips are, right? But again, I
You
think
love Snapdragon.
yeah, man. I'm
Try
sorry.
an Apple Silicon someday.
Oh, I definitely will, man. But so fingers crossed, case. So yeah, I really want to see. I really want to use a phone that uses Indian silicon. It'll be really nice. It'll be
That
really
would be nice. And it's not gonna happen tomorrow. It's gonna take good 4 or
It's gonna-
5 years
I more
for
than
us to
that.
develop.
I believe
silicon
more
and
than that.
knowledge. Yeah.
Because I don't know, man. Going by the current
Setting
scenario,
up a
right?
hardware company.
It's really difficult.
Setting up a yeah, it's really difficult. What I was saying is setting up a hardware company, that too something that is not direct to consumers.
Woi,
Companies
exactly.
take a really conservative approach towards processors because they have to develop their entire software chain around that processor.
Seriously, it requires a lot of work. So that's why I say कि at least 10 साल तो लगेगा at least. Okay, I won't be surprised if it takes minimum of 20 years even for like an Indian manufacturer to come out and say कि चलो हम लोग खुद का chips बना रहे हैं, right? And then another 10 years for those chips to get better, if they're not better already,
No, I don't
which I'm assuming they won't
I
be.
don't think it's gonna take that long.
No, I really
See,
going by
It depends.
today's scenario, right? People
Yeah.
don't want to. There are literally no jobs in the core electronics industry. All right, there are.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There's nothing to motivate people to go and make silicon right now. At least I'm talking on the ground reality, right? Everybody's pursuing a software. Even you are pursuing a software career, right?
Yeah, I'm
exactly.
software here.
Exactly, and that is why I said ki I think the government could help out the hardware people, and the day that hardware and software are at an equal level in terms of placement opportunities, careers and scope of both the products, I think that'll be a good day, to look forward to.
Okay, so okay, I thought, that is true.
Mm-hmm.
But once all this happens, once the engineers are there, once the companies are there, it's gonna take good 5 years or 6 years about that to actually get that silicon into products and stuff.
Yes, definitely, yes.
So yeah, even
That's
that.
true. So yeah, the point we were talking.
Started with Jio actually.
Yeah, we started with Jio.
So
sorry.
that's one more.
We started with Jio and Indian contenders and stuff. So थोड़ा सा हो गया foray, diverge हो गया. But it's all related. JioMit just blatantly copied Zoom का mobile app.
But is that not
Excuse me.
Jio ka entire strategy?
It
They see
it
a
actually
music app, they
it
make their
actually
own. They see a TV app, they make their own. They
Jio
see
is
Apple
basically
TV,
Jio is
they make
basically
their own Apple TV.
India
No,
का Apple.
I'm gonna bring it out here. What they do is, I have this box.
Oh shit.
This is an Apple TV ka blatant copy, and I did not buy this. This just came to my door, and it was free. They didn't charge me any money for it. They just had my address, so they just put it outside my house. This is not how you sell products. This is a garbage product. You know what? I tried it one day. I connected it to my TV. You can't cast to that stuff. Android या कोई भी phone से you can't cast it. It doesn't have the casting interface implemented inside it.
Oh my
So
god.
all you can do is log in with all your personal credentials into that box, which I don't know if it's safe, and then play it udhar se.
Oh, I got it.
And
Samjha. It just converts
It
your
has a-
TV into a smart TV types.
it's not even smart. You can't cast anything to it. Casting.
Oh, you
पे
can't
वो TV का icon आता है.
हाँ, you. Oh
It
god.
doesn't detect. YouTube doesn't detect it. Although it has the YouTube ka. So I don't know what they were thinking.
So.
But please make good products that people want to buy. You know what?
yeah, yes.
You're a Vodafone user, right? I'm gonna call Jio out of that बहुत ज़्यादा. But
Please call
once you buy
Vodafone
a
out
Jio
also.
का subscription,
They're a pain in the ass.
so
Oh god.
yeah, so once you buy a Jio का subscription ना इसके लिए phone के लिए phone recharges के लिए, you also get all the Jio apps का subscription. So those
Yeah.
apps aren't free. So you're just paying for them for no reason.
Yeah. I
And
know
you
that.
don't have any other option.
I
They
know
say
that,
it's
I know
bundled
that.
for free, but we all know it's not. So I don't get it.
It's not. It's so they. How would I put this? But you know what? I realized this small little feature a while ago, right? My friend has a Jio connection, alright, and he was using Jio Play. What is their music app here? Ghana.
Jio Savan. Okay,
Jio
Jio
Savan.
Savan is a good app.
Jio Savan is a good app.
Jio Savan is a good app because it's Savan.
It's Savan.
Jio just
yeah.
bought it.
Yeah. That's right. They didn't make it on their own, right? That's why it's really good.
Yeah, that's the
Savan
only
had
good app
developed
because
for
someone
like.
else made it.
Savan was blowing up when Jio bought it.
Huh.
That's why it's so good. And there's a very neat little feature that you go into Jio Savan, right, and you play any song. There's one button that if you click the button, it assigns that song as your caller tune. And I came to know this.
I know that feature.
Yeah, I came to know this very recently, right before the lockdown, I think, began. I was like, wow, maybe this is why people like Jio, because Jio at this
I haven't used
since
that feature.
huh?
I didn't see anyone using that feature. Like,
My friend, he showed it in front of me. He changed his collar tune.
I know.
It was
I
so
know
cool.
it works, but
Alright, I had never seen
collar
that
tunes are
before.
so 2012,
Collar tune.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. But it, like, seeing him do that was really cool because
Yeah.
usually
they
collar
have the
tune
advantage of integrating stuff. It's like
हाँ,
Apple's
exactly.
advantage of the ecosystem.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, they are India's Apple. When you get the connection, they try to suck you into their ecosystem, right? So you're surrounded by their apps that they have created. And
I guess what their strategy is. I mean, Mukesh Ambani is a smart guy and he knows the apps suck. And even he must be using Apple
True.
TV or ये सब इसकी
True.
ये garbage की जगह.
yeah, he does not use his
What
products,
there's-
100%.
What Jio का SIM card होगा for sure. What his strategy is, he'll develop these apps and put it there, and then use the developing power that he might gain वो apps से to make them better.
Exactly.
So that might be a strategy.
It's like a cycle of investment
Yeah.
and spending, you know?
So I guess that might be there, but
And-
come on, man, that product shouldn't have shipped any day. It doesn't have a casting feature. You
Oh
know,
God.
casting has become so
Mainstream.
inherited in products is that you just expect things to work. Like if I have a Chrome tab open and it's
That's
with that cast button,
That's
both my TV should show up.
That's right.
So it doesn't make sense.
But then again,
Oh.
let's keep in mind what the target demographic for Jio is, right? Most people. So since its inception, right, it's been very cheap. They are the reason. Jio is
Yeah.
the reason that India has the cheapest data rates in the entire planet. Okay, and
That I thank them for.
yeah, very thankful.
While we are
for
calling that
actually.
down, thank you for your cheap data. Thank you for pulling the competition down. Thank you for being the telecom that we all needed.
Yeah, but I won't thank you for all the cringy TikToks that people make on Jio networks. Am I being casted? I'm sorry. Am I being elitist? I'm sorry. I'm not being elitist. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. All right. TikTok is gone now. I'm sorry. I hope the creators find a new home. All right. Don't come to YouTube. Just go somewhere else. We're gonna talk about it next. Go to Chingari. We're gonna talk about Chingari. Hold on. So
Go to Chingari.
the target demographic for Jio is like the low income group, right? Because they have given free data, they've given free talk time since the beginning, and the product which was shipped to you, right, it may be made for them, right? It's a cheap
Oh no. So the reason it's shipped to me is because I have a Jio fiber.
You have a connection, yeah.
But Jio fiber तो बस ऐसा okay, abhi it's everywhere, but पहले it was just for this area, and I don't know what's with this area, but I got the early connection. So I don't think the person.
But it's not made for you. That's what I'm
target.
saying. I mean, they gave it to you as a मतलब तुम्हारे पास connection तो ले लो, but it's not made for like a power user like you, right? And or है ना? So does it work as a set-top box?
Yeah, but it's connected to Jio, so उसमें बस वो channel है जो Jio ने subscribe किया.
See that again, that's smart, right? You sell people your mobile network, and then you sell the set-top box that comes with the mobile network, so people get into that ecosystem. And even if you're paying a very low cost for the set-top box, which you probably are, because you cannot
It's
afford.
free. It's not charged at all. It's free, पूरा 100% free.
See, it's free, dude. Tata Sky का set-top box 1000 रुपए का आता है, ठीक है? This, who will not take this? कौन नहीं लेगा? Free बोला तो कौन नहीं लेगा, dude? That's what I'm saying. उनका target demographic बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है जियो से, ठीक है?
Now that you brought target demographic up, I get it, but
But yeah,
I mean, अब free
I
है तो कुछ
understand.
बोल नहीं सकते, but come on, थोड़ा better होना चाहिए. Casting डाल देना चाहिए था, तो I wouldn't have lashed out इतना तक. Because it was 5 AM जब तो वो बॉक्स ऐसा 4 महीने से पड़ा था मेरे इसमें अनबॉक्स नहीं किया था मैंने, ये मेरे को चाहिए ही नहीं था. बट इट इज 5 AM, मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है, मैंने 4 मैगी का पैकेट खा लिया ऑलरेडी. अब मैं क्या करूँ? तो आई गो कि चल ये अनबॉक्स करके देखते हैं. तो मैं खोला, देखा, एंड आई एम लाइक, ओह लुक्स गुड, इट्स लाइक अ चीप एप्पल टीवी. मैं कनेक्ट किया, आई एम लाइक, ओह सो दिस टीवी इज सैमसंग का, एंड इट हैज कस्टम सैमसंग सॉफ्टवेयर written, and I would gladly change it to Android. So I was like, this is my chance to get Android TV then. I connected.
That's nice.
It is Android TV with इसका skin. It doesn't have Google Apps ये सब, because खुद का apps है.
हाँ, right.
And I download Prime and everything, and it is asking me to sign in. So I'm like, nah, I'm not giving Jio my sign in data. And So I went on my phone and मैं सब 5 मिनट बैठा, अब casting का option आएगा, अब casting का option आएगा, अब casting का option आएगा, आया ही नहीं.
Oh man.
And then I log in and सब चल रहा है वगैरह ऐसे. And then I realized since it's custom Geo software Android इसके ऊपर, they might have removed the casting वाला feature because settings पे भी casting के बारे में कुछ नहीं दिए.
Right.
So
That is another way.
I
That is
think
another way to like cut.
casting comes in built Android के साथ. I'm not 100% sure, so it is by choice turned off
It does.
to avoid
Definitely.
people from going to other apps.
Mm-hmm.
And use the Geo wala app.
Yeah.
And the remote is, they include a remote with it, which is pretty nice. Although the phone ka app for the remote, it's taking some extra permissions that I don't want to give, and works and is coded in a really bad.
Oh god.
See, I've coded Android apps and I know when I see a bad app.
Fair enough. I'll take your word for it.
Yes. Yeah. If Geowala, any person is using it, learn state management.
Yep.
That is how you'll solve that.
Definitely. Cool. All right. Let's get back to the TikTokers who have been waiting for.
Yes.
And
We don't have TikToker fans, okay?
It,
Make good TikToks, guys.
I really
Make
don't. Yeah.
funny TikToks, not
Yeah.
cringy TikToks.
Yeah.
Varna Tanmay Bhatt will react to you and you'll get really famous in the wrong way.
That's a very valid point Advait raised. So
Uh-huh.
essentially there's this new app, right? It's called Chingari, and it's the Indian alternative for TikTok, where you can make 60-second videos. I don't have the entire information on it, but it crossed 1
It hit
crore.
25 lakh downloads.
1
It
crore,
was
buddy.
1 crore.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, in 22 days, it crossed the 1 crore download mark on the app, on the Google Play Store.
Oh my god.
And yeah,
I didn't know that. Now I respect it way more than I already did.
less than a week ago. Oh dude, you're right actually. एक हफ्ते पहले 25 लाख पे था. एक हफ्ते
हाँ
बाद
भाई.
it grew 4-fold. Holy shit, man. See, this is the power of numbers, guys, and Geo. All of these
And a
people.
big population that has
Oi,
nothing to do with all
lit-
that data.
Literally, dude, India is mentioned in tech markets worldwide purely because of our numbers. All right, we are
How many?
not we are not the greatest.
We are the reason T-Series won the competition, man.
Seriously.
And half of us subscribe to PewDiePie. Like,
Oh my
Baki half is winning from the entire world.
It's crazy. It's crazy, dude.
That
Yeah,
doesn't make sense
Yeah.
at all.
yeah. That's the
So,
outcome of
anyway.
cheap data and lots
Is
of people.
Chingari good? That is the problem. Is Chingari
I
good?
have no clue, man. I have no clue.
We don't try that ourselves, man.
I didn't-
You're
I didn't-
sticking to Instagram.
I didn't try it out, but one of the good things about Chingari is that it's available in Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Punjabi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu. Wow.
Oh, lot of Indian language.
Yeah,
But that's
yeah, that's
that's the thing with TikTok. One of their points, so they had set up a meeting with the committee that banned the app, right?
All right, fine.
So one of their points were we are available in so many languages that we are empowering your youth who can't speak English or Hindi in the way that they can express themselves.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
One of
TikTok.
their points.
Okay, fine. TikTok is also actually available in 39 languages.
Exactly. That was one of their points.
Lol. But I'll have to see which
But still-
languages. But yes, Chingari. What else is there? It debuted. Definitely. It debuted in iOS on January last year. And yeah, since again, oh my god, this is all about the Chinese app bans, dude. Ever since it gone banned, people are going over to Chingari. So yes, people who like making TikToks, I'll see you on Chingari, I guess. We'll make some fire content there. You see the pun, guys? Fire content. The day that TikTok was banned, literally the day, not even day, रात को ban announce हुआ, ठीक है? रात को ban announce होने के 12 घंटे के अंदर मेरे को Twitter पे ads आ रहे हैं for an app called Rizzle. Okay.
Oh,
And
exactly. Everyone just doubled their marketing budgets, right? India
Yeah,
के लिए.
they were like, oh, Rizzle, Indian app, TikTok को
The
replace
big
करेगा.
pie has
So
been kept as
people
a
got two types of ads,
moral.
all right? Depending on what kind of person you are, ठीक है? So people got two types of ads, okay? One type was which I got, okay? I was offered the actual app that is an alternative to the Chinese app, okay? So I got ads for Rizzle, okay? It's an Indian alternative for TikTok, and my friend got an ad for a VPN using which you can
Oh.
access those apps. So yeah, two
Oh.
types of people in this world, guys.
And a lot of those apps, like I went through the entire list, a
Hmm.
lot of those apps were garbage apps. Why was anyone using them in the
Absolute,
first
exactly my question. Garbage apps. Why do people use UC browser? Why do people use Baidu? Ew, the name is only so bad.
place? What is Byte?
It was a browser or something like that.
What?
Weird. I don't know
Okay,
why.
anyway.
I don't know why people like
The
using
one
Share
good
It.
app which was there was Cam Scanner. People were concerned कि how are they going to scan documents. That's
No,
the power
I
these
didn't
apps
like.
have.
I mean, ever since I've discovered Adobe Scan, I haven't looked
हाँ,
back. at
Adobe
Cam
Scan
Scan.
तब से Cam Scanner ही गया. But पहले Cam Scanner was a monopoly, right? And once you have a
It
monopoly
definitely
in a
was.
market,
It definitely
the
wasn't.
people who aren't technologically advanced will stick to that monopoly. Guys.
True. That's true. That's right. That's right.
So the non-techie people were concerned about Cam Scanner going, but I guess it's our job to promote Adobe Scanner these days.
Fair enough. I'm doing that full time.
हाँ भाई Twitter पे any thread saying, oh my god, Cam Scanner, and just like Adobe Scanner is so much better, can do this, and or watermark नहीं है.
Sachi, dude, Sachi. Yeah, Cam Scanner had a watermark. Yeah, oh my god.
But no one cared
Interesting.
about that watermark. Everyone just got used to it. I was like, Cam Scanner. Like the entire Indian population was okay with there being a scanned by Cam Scanner watermark on all their presentations.
Oh my, yeah, exactly. See, we have a very नहीं फर्क पड़ता attitude in such
हाँ
cases.
वही.
We are very application based. अपने को नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. As long as अपना काम हो रहा है ना, अपने को फर्क नहीं पड़ता ज़्यादा.
But Adobe Scan is actually way better.
It's
it
so
can
good,
do
man.
everything that Cam Scanner can, and even
And in a much better way.
some places it's much better.
Somehow it's been easier for me to use Adobe Scan than Cam Scanner. I don't know. I remember.
Because the document detection process is much better with it.
No, even post that documentation detection is like I don't use that. I just click it myself. But even after that,
Mhm.
editing and renaming and organizing it is so much
हाँ,
easier.
exactly. That is so much easier. With the
Exactly than Cam
Cam
Scanner. I
Scanner
remember.
was a pain.
I always used to struggle with Cam Scanner for some reason. I remember struggling with it, and Adobe Scan has just been the opposite. It's just really nice. It's really
We
cool.
love you, Adobe Scan. Give
Yeah,
us
man.
money.
Adobe, I love you. Please sponsor the
You owe us
podcast.
money now.
Oh man, your
So,
subscriptions are too expensive, yeah, Adobe. Please.
I wouldn't know, but okay.
I fine. Fine, guys. I think that's the episode.
Anyway, guys, this has been the
today-
episode. This was somehow way funnier than all our episodes, at least to us. If you don't find us funny, go fuck yourself. And
please
yeah.
subscribe to the podcast.
Yeah, subscribe and go.
We are on YouTube. We are
Yes, sir.
on all your favorite podcasting platforms. We are
And-
also on
and-
Instagram.
The big announcement. The website is coming this week. I guess when we release this
Oh.
podcast, it's gonna be released with it.
Oh my
The
god!
website
Wow.
is amazing. You'll
Yep,
get to know who
yep,
the designer
yep.
and the coder was. She's amazing. And yeah, be ready. Look out for it. Even if you don't like the podcast, you will love the website because everyone
You
loves
love-
a good website.
Dude, heck yeah! I really like the website. So the thing is, he showed a few prototypes to me, and they were loading really slow. So I was very worried, right? I was like, "ऐसे कैसे होगा?" And then when I opened it, I think 2 days ago, it was so smooth. I was like, "Holy shit, क्या beautiful है!" So yeah, I'm
yeah,
really
there were some
excited.
server issues पहले.
You should
But-
also be excited. The website is really
Yeah,
really nice, and
The website is
yeah.
and it looks beautiful.
no doubt. Because we have a beautiful faces on the first page. So,
Exactly. I love that. हम दोनों. You'll get to know what you're talking about. No spoilers here.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
see you guys in the next podcast.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, go ahead.
I was
Wanna
gonna
give
say
them
कि
some
there
fun?
might be the link to the site in the description, so check it out maybe.
Exactly. It'll be in our bio if it's released by then.
Yeah, if it's released,
Because
just
we
go
have
check.
to still
जाके देख लो,
I
जाके
don't know
देख लो.
some bugs. Any.
Just cross check. And that is the Unengineered podcast. And this is Atik.
This is Advait. Follow me at Life of Advait. And it's Atik's birthday. So go follow him everywhere and watch his YouTube content. And don't watch his last podcast at Kolkata. Anyways.
Sala. Bye guys.
Why do you
Bye.
think he's doing this podcast? Huh? If his own podcast was good.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, fine. We're gonna end this episode before Advait defames me anymore. Okay, bye guys.
Oh.
Good night. Take care.
Bye
See you.
bye.